So let's kind of take a closer look at that so that we understand it and we appreciate it more fully. So when you say like people lecturing in higher education involved in scientific research, or does the legislation really want to strengthen the university system? Or if someone has a great idea and they want to engage in R&D within their organizational framework, they can incorporate in Portugal, they can move to Portugal and engage in R&D activities. What is the definition of R&D? Is it private, public, or both?
Yeah, it's both.
It's both, yeah.
I'm very glad you asked the question, because our mindset from before was that the NHR was a regime for everyone. It had to be assessed on a case-by-case basis. The benefit could be bigger or smaller, but in essence, everyone could have some sort of a benefit. Mm-hmm. In this new regime, I think there is still a leg of the regime that can apply to some of the people that were looking for the regime prior to its cancellation. Mm-hmm. Under the structure that I was just explaining. The new regime really wants to attract new companies to Portugal, new researchers, and new investments. So you're asking, is it public, is it private? Well, it's both. There is scientific research that is rendered to entities which are integrated in the national system of science and technology. Mm-hmm. So that they are either public or at least they are in cooperation with the states. There is also the possibility of having private entities that will do significant investments in Portugal, over 3 million, and the company in itself will have a tax benefit. And as long as the investment is deemed relevant under the tax code, you will still be able, on a personal level, also to benefit from the regime. So it's the companies in itself already had the benefits and have it for a number of years, but there is the other side of the coin, which is we need to attract people that are able to move this business forward, and this is what this new regime does. This is directed at significant investments, actual business activities that are interesting from a research and development standpoint, that are looking to Portugal as a place to invest.